Hello guys! Ayun, meron akong share sa inyong app na talagang magugustuhan nyo as an online buyer like me. And right now, ayun, meron kasi akong i-claim doon. Proven and tested ko na yun. Nakapag-claim na ako before ng 200 pesos and now naman ipapakita ko kung paano i-claim and you can use my referral code. This app is Shopback. Of course, for sure marami na kayong mapapanood regarding sa app na ito. And legit to. So, ayun, i-screen record ko kung paano ko mag-claim.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa dashboard and yung lifetime earnings and my cashback. Nandiyan yung cashback in and cashback out. Sa cashback in is yung mga confirmed and natatrack na cashback. Then, dito naman sa ating cashback out, yun yung na-withdraw ko. Yan, yung 200 pesos, yan yung na-withdraw ko. And now naman is pupunta na tayo sa ating withdrawal. Yan, magwi-withdraw ko ngayon ng 200 pesos. Kung nakikita nyo nga, ayan, 200 pesos ang ating i-withdraw. Verify muna natin. Next, ayan, withdrawal successful. And nakalagay dyan, nakagpa-process na siya. And September 26, 2025 ang possible ko na marireceive yan through my GCash. So, ayan. So, ayun lang. Wait ko na lang yan na ma-receive ko sa aking GCash.